we learned in previous lecture rational number, irrational number locate on number line. Now we write some. The decimal expansion of each rational number is either terminating or non-terminating. Repeating. Decimal expansion of each rational number. Here we find decimal expansion of rational number. Decimal expansion of each rational number is either terminating or non-terminating. Repeating. What is terminating? If our division is completed, its remainder becomes 0, then the fraction, the rational number is called terminating number. If its remainder never becomes 0, then it is called non-terminating. Again, which number is called terminating? If the remainder becomes 0, then the number is called terminating. And remainder does not become 0, then it is called non-terminating. And non-terminating, repeating. Repeating, that means number is repeated, recurring. The number comes again, blocks, numbers comes again, repeat. Then it is called non-terminating repeating number. Its conversely statement. This statement is like this. The decimal expansion of each rational number. Decimal expansion of which number? Each rational number is terminating or non-terminating. Repeating. A number, its converse is this type. A number whose decimal expansion is either terminating or non-terminating, repeating, then it is a rational number. Rational numbers decimal expansion is either terminating or non-terminating. If a decimal expansion of which number was either terminating, decimal expansion is either terminating or non-terminating, repeating, is a rational number. Let us take some example. Here we write example number 5, 10 by 3. Number 1, 10 by 3. It is a rational number. Now it converts in decimal expansion form. 10 divided by 3. 10 divided by 3. We write 3 3s are 9. 1, 0. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Then its remainder not becomes 0. Here remainder is 1. Then 1 upon 3 is equal to 0.33333 infinite time and so on. Therefore, it is written like is 0.3 bar. Which number repeated? 3 is repeated. Therefore, it is written as 1 upon 3 is equal to 0.3 bar. This number is rational number and its decimal expansion is 0.3 bar. Both two numbers are called rational number. The decimal expansion of rational number is terminating. Here, which number is terminating and non-terminating, repeating. This number is its remainder not becomes 0, therefore it is non-terminating number. Its remainder becomes 0, then it is called terminating number. Non-terminating, which number is repeating? 3 is repeating. Therefore, 1 upon 3 is equal to 0.3. Now second, 7 by 8. 7 is divided by 8. 0, 70, 8 8s are 64, 6, 8 7s are 56, 4, 8 5s are 40. Here remainders becomes 0. Therefore, this number is terminating. Here remainder does not become 0. The number is non-terminating. Non-terminating. And which type? Repeating number. Then it is called non-terminating repeating. Here remainder becomes 0. Therefore, this number is terminating number. Therefore, 7 divided by 8 is equals to 0.875. It's terminating because its remainder is 0. Now question number 3. 1 upon 7. 1 upon 7. 1 is divided by 7. Here denominator is 7, therefore it is divided by 7. 1 upon 7. 1 is divided by 7. 0. 7 ones are 7. 30. Here 7 4s are 28. 2 remainder, therefore 7 2s are 40. 6 remainder, 0. Therefore 7 8s are 56. 4 remainder, 7 5s are 35. So 5 remainder, 50. 7 7s are 49. 1 remainder, 0. 7 1s are 7. Here now this block 1 4 2 8 5 7 repeated number 1 4 again which number comes 2 8 5 7. This block is repeated. The remainder does not become 0, therefore it is non-terminating repeating number. Then this number is called non-terminating repeating number and written as 1 upon 7 is equals to 0.142857. This block is repeated. 142857. 142857. The number which are repeated, then it is written as by like this. Read as 1 upon 7 is equals to 0.142857 bar. Understood? Terminating and non-terminating repeating number. Again, the remainder becomes 0, then it is called terminating number, terminating rational numbers, and remainders does not become 0, then it is called non-terminating. And repeating. If the number or blocks repeated, then it is called non-terminating repeating numbers. Okay. Now we start exercise 1.3. Question number 1. Like these types of rational or irrational number are terminating or non-terminating. We take here question number 1. For this type, write question number 1. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. These numbers convert into decimal form. In this question, the number convert into decimal form and say that which kind of this number, which kind, that two kinds, terminating number or non-terminating repeating number. Now number 1, 36 upon 100. It is written in the decimal form 0.36. 0.36. We write 2 upon 5. Then it is written as 2 upon 10. Written as 2, 0.2. 10, 100. Then the number like this 0.36. The decimal expansion is terminating. Here not need to divide the number 36 divided by 100. We like directly 0.36. Now second number 1 upon 11. 1 upon 11. 1 is divided by 11. 1 is divided by 11. 0, 0, 0, 0 point. Here 10. Then not divide by 11. It is 0 and comes 0, then 100. 11 nines are 99. Remainder 1. Again to 0, 0, 9. 11 nines are 99. 11 nines are 99. Which number is, this number is which type? Non-terminating, repeating number. Because its remainder never becomes 0. 1 upon 11 is equals to 0. Its decimal expansion form 0.090909 dash n. Which number repeated? 09. Therefore, it is written as 1 upon 11 is equals to 0.09. Number block is repeated. Therefore, 0.09 bar. These both numbers called rational number. This number is called rational number. Its decimal expansion form is, rational numbers decimal expansion form is 1 upon 11 is equals to 0.09 bar. And its rational number P upon Q form is 1 upon 11. We convert again next lecture. The decimal expansion is non-terminating repeating number. Number third. 4 integer 1 upon 8. 4 integer 1 upon 8, that means 4 8s are 32 plus 1. 33 by 8. 4 8s are 32 plus 1, that 33 by 8. Therefore, 33 divide by 8. 8 4s are 32. 1, 8 1s are 8. 2, 20. 8 2s are 16. 8 5s are 40. Here remainders becomes 0. Therefore, 4 integer 1 upon 8 is equals to answer 4.125. Remainder becomes 0. Therefore, it is a terminating number. This number is terminating number. This number is also terminating number. Now, the decimal expansion is terminating number. Do homework. Question number 4, 5. Complete this question. Question 1 completed. 4, 5, 6. If you have any difficulty, then write in my WhatsApp number 94281 and completed your notebook. Please send me 94281 52899. Mobile number. Okay? Send me on my WhatsApp number 94281 52899. Complete your notebook. Chapter 1, question number 10, exercise 1.3. Complete question number 1.